Hey, welcome back to the channel for another video. So, have you ever taken a photo and then looked at it later and thought, did I take this with a potato? Yeah, me too. It's infuriating. You set up the shot, you're feeling like a pro, and then bam, soft, blurry disappointment. But hey, don't worry, I've been there and I've clawed my way back to crispy, razor-sharp photos. Today, I'm sharing 5 tips for you to get insane sharpness in your shots, whether you're rocking a $200 camera or a setup that costs more than your car. These tips are for you. Number 1, ISO basics. Now, ISO is the unsung hero or villain of your photos. ISO is how sensitive your camera sensor is to light. The lower the ISO, the cleaner the image. High ISO, hello noise. When I shoot landscapes or cityscapes, I stick to ISO 100, crisp, clean, and sharp. But when light's bad, I bump it up. The trick? Don't go overboard. Grainy photos are like over-salted fries. Annoying and hard to fix. Number 2, shutter speed. This is where most people trip up. If you're shooting handheld, remember the simple rule. Shutter speed should be at least the inverse of your focal length. Got a 100mm lens? You need 1/100th of a second or faster. But I have steady hands. Sure, Karen, but let's be real. Caffeine jitters and excitement make us all a little shaky. Follow the rule, then thank me later. Number 3, holding your camera. Listen, holding your camera isn't rocket science, but you'd be shocked how many people mess that up. So this is how you do it. Elbows in, camera tight to your face, and gently press the shutter. None of that Hulk smash nonsense. Treat your camera like a delicate flower, not a doorbell. Number 4, aperture and sweet spots. Now, aperture, everyone loves a wide open lens shot at f1.4 for that dreamy background blur. But did you know that your lens has a sweet spot? It's usually around f5.6 to f8. Test it out. I mean, sure, spending a Saturday shooting a cactus at every aperture setting sounds boring, but once you find that sweet spot, game changer. Number 5, autofocus and refocus check. Focus on everything. If your camera locks onto the wrong thing, congratulations, you've just taken a beautifully sharp photo of a random tree in the background. Use simple point autofocus for precision, and for the love of photography, zoom in and check your shots while you're still in the field. There's nothing worse than hiking 3 hours up a mountain only to come home with 200 blurry photos. Trust me, I've been that guy. Here's a bonus tip. Clean your gear. This one's pretty obvious, but clean your gear. A smudged lens or a dirty sensor can ruin even the sharpest shot. It literally takes 10 seconds. Your photos will thank you, and hey, if your lens is as dirty as my camera after a weekend shoot, you might even rediscover colors that you forgot existed. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you take insanely sharp photos with any camera. Master these and you're well on your way to becoming the sharpshooter you've always dreamed of. So let me know, did these tips help you, or maybe do you have some more tips that I missed? Post them in the comments and let's keep this going. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom preset pack featuring 13 presets that I use for all my photos. And they're only $10. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll see you again soon.